How can you impress Slavic girls in just 45 seconds? Here's why I'm asking you this strange question. Study after study show that women decide if they want to spend time with a man in the first minute that they see him. And yes, even though these studies were done in Britain in the United States, the results are just as valid in Slavic countries. In other words, the first impression is crucial to make Slavic women love or even lust after you. And luckily for you, it doesn't take a lot to win this short battle for your heart. Because in this video I'll show you how to make a first impression that will last a lifetime and that immediately puts you in the position as the man women want. Just imagine what it will be like when you can step into James Bond-like confidence on any date. Dating won't just become easier, it will become a pleasure. Why? Because it takes just seconds to set the mood when you know what Slavs pay attention to. In these precious first seconds. Don't waste time polishing your shoes, because that's definitely not what they care about. Instead, you should focus on what truly matters to them. And in this video, I'll reveal the 5 most important things Slavs pay attention to when they first meet a man. So sit back, relax, and prepare to discover the secrets of what truly impresses Slavic women. Hi, my name is Tanya Sparks and I'm a dating and relationship coach. Watch as every week I'm going to reveal to you new secrets about what Slavic women really want. Plus, you will receive instantly effective methods to win over any Slavic girl or improve your existing relationship. So please hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. Here's the first thing, and most men are shocked when I tell them about it. The moment Slavic women see a man for the first time, one of the key areas we focus on are your hands. And no, we don't check for your manicure here. It's a plus if you don't bite your nails, but it's not a deal breaker either. What is, however, an immediate non-go for most Slavs is a ring on your ring finger. We will immediately associate it with a wedding ring, and you will be marked as a guy who's trying to cheat on his wife. So, be sure to check your hands before your date. Next, how would you like to immediately appear more confident and in control of the situation? And no, there's no need to wear a suit or look like James Bond. All you need to do is make eye contact with the lady. I can guarantee you that every single Slavic girl will appreciate you for looking straight into her eyes. Not in a creepy stare-down type of way, of course. Just in a way that makes it clear that you are interested in her and that nothing will stop you from going after what you want. Don't sting. Don't laugh, please. I'm not trying to be funny here. You would be surprised about the amount of men who totally ignore personal hygiene and even skip on using a deodorant. Let's be clear here, guys. If you smell as though you spent the last few years in a cave, then most Slavic women will send you straight back to where you came from. Most of you will know this already, but investing in a nice perfume will help you in your dating life more than many men would like to admit. Let's talk about your outfit next. Don't sweat it if you aren't a fan of Italian designer clothes. Most Slavic women are not looking for a fashion model. However, we will pay attention to the state your clothes are in. Your clothes should be clean and undamaged. If a shirt has a hole in it, please throw it away and buy a new one. Please wear clothes on your date you didn't wear the day before. Even if your clothes appear spotlessly clean to you, chances are your date will find traces of wear and tear you didn't notice yourself. So don't risk it and wear something freshly ironed. Watch your manners. Many men completely blow their chances by ignoring what we consider the basics. And it's completely normal, considering that Western culture has developed away from these kinds of behavior we now consider to be old school. More and more, you can hear that women and men are the same, and that you shouldn't behave differently when you are around a lady. And yet, in Slavic dating culture, this is a terrible mistake. We strongly believe that women and men are different, just like everyone did just a few decades ago. Fortunately, it's easy to do things right. All you need to do is be a gentleman. Here are a few ways you can show her you understand chivalry. When you are sitting and the woman is standing, stand up for her. When she is sitting, gently bend down to her. In other words, always try to adjust to her level. It seems too simple to work, and yet you will be surprised how well received these little things are. In fact, I can guarantee you with 100% confidence that you will notice a difference in her behavior when you do apply this little tip. She's literally going to beg for your attention and treat you like a knight on a white horse. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you liked my tips, and I see you next week in a new episode of Slavic Love Secrets.